Hey guys, make sure to stand till the end. We'll explain why it's super important to test fuses and relays and not to just assume that a fuse is good or bad, because that may cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford Mustang 6th generation between year 2015 guys and year 2023. If you guys need to find the fuse for the ABS pump, brake pump, stay with us. We'll explain where that fuse is located. Okay, we'll explain why it's super important to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered in this video today. Before we start guys, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage guys, we make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We take engines apart, transmission. We show you how to fix pretty much almost anything guys. Interior, bodywork. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys have a Ford Mustang, that generation, 6th generation from year 2015 to year 2023, we'll be guys taking that car completely apart and we'll show you how to fix almost anything. So if you need to buy any parts, tools at a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can guys save a ton of money. Let's start on it now. So what we have specifically here guys, okay, this is a 2018 Ford Mustang that we'll demonstrate on. So let's go ahead, open, support the hood. Even if you have a 4-cylinder engine, it will work as well. Doesn't matter if you have a 4 or 8-cylinder engine. For any of you with a 2.3 EcoBoost, it will work as well. If you look right here, you're going to press that thing, you're going to open the fuse box, and here on the back side you have the fuse numbers, okay, printed. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. We will guys have a special video that will explain how to replace ABS pump, ABS control module as well. This is your ABS pump right here guys. Now if we come right here, let us show you which fuse we need to check specifically for that ABS pump. The fuse that we need to check will be fuse number 5. So it will be that last fuse in that fuse box. So if you come right here, it will be that 50 amp fuse guys. That 50 amp fuse is the one for the ABS pump. If you need to buy cheap fuses and relays from for a good price and quick shipping guys, we're going to put the link in the description of the video below where you can get cheap fuses, relays. You have up to 3 different kinds of fuses, J-case fuses, the mini fuses, here you can see multiple ones, the relays as well. All that will be listed in the description of the video below. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.